This tutorial is on citation styles. It is part 2 in our Use Sources Ethically series. After watching this tutorial, you'll understand common elements in a citation, know that different citation styles exist and how to find out which one to use, and recognize that there are resources to help with citation. Citations can look very different depending on what kind of source you're citing and what kind of project you're doing. You already know that you usually need the author's name, the date the source was published, and the title of the source. So any of these should work, right? Not quite. An important part of citing your sources is using the correct citation style. There are many citation styles that are used for different courses and disciplines. The most common ones are APA, American Psychological Association, used for the social sciences and nursing. MLA, Modern Language Association, used for English and literature. Chicago, used for history and art. CSE, Council of Science Editors, used for biology. ACS, American Chemical Society, used for chemistry. And Blue Book, used for legal studies. All citation styles have the same goal of giving proper credit to your sources, but they all format their citations differently. Here's an example of the same book cited in the 6 different citation styles. Although the same information is usually required, it's formatted differently for each one. You will probably become very familiar with the citation style used in your major. If you're taking a Gen Ed course or an elective in a different discipline, you may need to use this citation style for that discipline. Check your assignment guidelines to see what your instructor requires. The library has guides and recommended resources for citing in all 6 citation styles. Visit our website at stevenson.libguides.com/citing sources. Thanks for watching. Contact the library if you'd like assistance. If you'd like to share feedback on this tutorial, you can do so at the link or QR code on your screen.